Welcome to ClearSpot. Hey, drone pilots, are you tired of grinding out small residential gigs while the real money's being made at massive solar farms? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down why you're missing out on enterprise solar and energy deals, and how you can break through to land those big contracts. Stick around, because this could be your ticket to the big leagues. The solar inspection boom is huge right now. California alone needs over 45,000 residential checks every month, and utility-scale farms, they're screaming for weekly drone sweeps. But here's the problem. Most skilled pilots are stuck in low-margin residential work instead of cashing in on enterprise contracts. I've spent years building enterprise drone programs, and I'm here to spill the secrets. Let's dive into why this gap exists, and how you can bridge it. First up, let's talk about why you're not landing those enterprise deals. There are 5 big roadblocks holding most pilots back. Regulatory blind spots. Did you know 68% of pilots don't even know about rules like CEC Regulation 2023-45, which demands RTK GPS with less than 2 centimeters accuracy, or SB 320's real-time AI mandates? It's like flying blind in a no-drone zone. You're toast. Equipment mismatch enterprise clients aren't messing around. They need radiometric thermal cameras with at least 640 by 512 resolution, FIPS 142 encrypted storage, and ASTM E2800-4021 reports. If you're still using a Mavic 3 thermal, it's like bringing a toy to a pro job. Workflow inflexibility. Can you scale from a 10 kilowatt home to a 100 megawatt farm? Can you integrate with SCADA systems? If your reports are still manual instead of automated with something like the Raptor Maps API, you're out of the game. Compliance risks fines are brutal. $121,000 for habitat violations isn't rare. Enterprises won't touch you without Audubon-approved flight paths or CAL FIRE DroneOps fire risk tools. Business model limitations. Hourly billing? That's a relic. Enterprises want per-watt pricing or SLAs tied to defect detection. No cyber insurance for panel data? Good luck. Any of these hitting home? Don't worry, we're about to flip with 5 steps to get you enterprise ready. Alright, here's your playbook to go from side hustle to enterprise pro. 5 actionable steps, let's roll. Step 1. Certify beyond Part 107. Get your FLIR Level 2. Thermography cert, it's a must for utility bids. Add the UC Davis Drone Law Workshop for California compliance, and BVLOS certification via the FAA Beyond program. It's your golden ticket. Step 2. Build an enterprise-grade toolkit. Here's what you need. DJI Matrix 350 RTK for CEC-compliant precision, ZenMuse H20T for radiometric thermal and laser ranging, and NVIDIA Jetson Orin for edge AI processing. This is your enterprise starter pack. Step 3. Master enterprise workflows. Pre-flight auto-check SB 320 compliance with Raptor Maps API. In-flight monitor fire risks with DroneOps 3.0. Post-flight auto-upload encrypted reports to SCADA. Efficiency is your superpower here. Step 4. Develop strategic partnerships. Team up with SolarO&M firms for inspection contracts, insurance providers for risk assessments, and even labor unions like the Teamsters for operator cred. It's all about your network. Step 5. Adopt enterprise pricing models. Ditch hourly rates. Try 2 cents per watt for inspections or a 10% share of efficiency gains. These steps work. I've seen it firsthand. Let me show you a real success story. Take this pilot from San Diego. He was stuck in residential gigs until he made a move, nailed FLIR Level 2 and UC Davis certifications, and then partnered with a 200 megawatt solar farm operator. See, it's not just about flying, it's about becoming a data partner. But the future's coming fast. Let's peek ahead. By 2026, LAX's ATM system will hit solar corridors. The winners? Pilots offering drone dock networks, 24/7 monitoring of assets, carbon credit analytics, proving emissions cuts from inspections. This isn't sci-fi, it's your next step. Get ready now or get left behind. The future's automated and it's awesome. Before we wrap, here's your enterprise checklist. How many can you check off? CEC and FAA compliance docs in a binder. 10 plus sample ASTM E2800-4021 reports. Cyber insurance, $2 million minimum, SCADA integration demo, union labor agreements if needed. Score high here, and you're ready to pitch the big players. So where are you at? Stuck in residential work or ready for enterprise deals? Drop a comment. What's your biggest barrier? I've linked a full readiness checklist below, so check it out. If this video helped you level up, smash that like button and subscribe for more drone and solar tips. Let's build the renewable future together. See you in the next one. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.